What is up, everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to go over the Bitcoin chart right now with you guys to just give you guys a quick update on what's happening. What is Bitcoin trying to tell us here? So what is this chart here trying to tell us? So on my previous video I showed you guys this pattern that I found, the falling wedge on the Bitcoin chart. And I told you that eventually that this falling wedge is going to break out, and once that breaks out you should expect Bitcoin to start going up. So that actually happened today. It happened today on Friday. As you can see here, Bitcoin finally broke out of this falling wedge on the 4-hour. So let's go to the 1 hour first so that we can see, because this is when it first happened. So as you can see here, on the 1 hour, Bitcoin broke out of this falling wedge. It broke out of it. However, I can see here the volume is not as strong as I expected it to be. It's not like the volume isn't as much. So we want to see more volume on this breakout here for Bitcoin to be able to go towards the previous all-time high at 66,000 or 67,000. That was the previous all-time high. So in order for Bitcoin to be able to head towards that direction, we want to see a lot of volume on this breakout, and right now I don't see that volume yet. Let's go on the daily time frame, and we can see here on the daily time frame Bitcoin closed above the falling wedge here as well, and that's a good sign. If it closed above it, usually that is a confirmation of a breakout on the daily time frame, so that's good. We want to see the next daily candle here that started about 4 hours ago. We want to see that candle to also close higher than this candle here. Okay, if that closes, that's going to be good, and then we want to see a lot of volume, which is going to help push the price of Bitcoin towards the previous all-time high. This is what I'm expecting in the next coming hours. I'm looking forward to seeing Bitcoin go towards the previous all-time high at 67,000. So if you've already entered a long position on Bitcoin after this breakout here, then set your take profit depending on how much risk you want to take. I would set my next take profit right around 66,000. Just to be safe, set it around 66,000. Take your profit there, and once Bitcoin breaks above this resistance, then you can enter another long position and ride it along all the way to 70,000 or more. But honestly, I think Bitcoin is heading towards 70,000 because we can just see this, a falling wedge is a bullish pattern. So once it breaks out of that falling wedge, the price target should be at the top of the wedge. It should be right at the top of the wedge, and that's what we want to see Bitcoin do. So yeah, that's the update for you guys. Just be safe there, set your stop losses, and you take profit, and make sure you're not using a high leverage because you do not want to get liquidated. The safest leverage I recommend is 10x or lower. These leverages are safe to use because it pushes your liquidation price far away from your entry point, which is a good thing. Okay, so your chances of losing money is very, very low. Another crypto that I'm looking at right now is Cardano. I want to look at the Cardano chart. Data USDTP. So Cardano was in an uptrend for a while on the daily time frame, and Cardano also formed the same falling wedge that Bitcoin formed, as you can see here, and it broke out of that falling wedge. However, it did not continue the move upward, once it broke out of that falling wedge. So once it broke out of that falling wedge, it just went up a little, but then came down, retested that supported area here, that trend line here. It retested it, bounced back a little, bounced back up a little, and then now Cardano has just been going sideways until on the 27th of October it finally crashed a little, went back to this supported area, this trend line. It tested it and then it bounced back from it, and now right now Cardano is consolidating. It's just going sideways. It's been going sideways for the past 24 hour. Let's look at the smaller time frame here. So on the 1 hour, you can see here Cardano has just been going sideways. Like since yesterday, it's just been going sideways, it's just being around the $2 area, you know, just been going sideways. And I believe that Cardano is about to make a big move, just like Bitcoin is about to. So guys, this is an exciting time to be in. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed, so that you can learn more on how to trade Bitcoin and invest in Bitcoin. Also, make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified when I post the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.